finally, we're doing a grand opening of Elephant Floors store. We're all ready, we're all prepared. We're expecting about, I would say, 60 to 75 people. Okay, so breakdown supposed to be like that. Around 2:45, caterers should be ready and everything should be on the tables. And around 3 o'clock, people start showing up and getting their soft drinks and wines and some snacks. Around 3:30, the mayor of Sunnyvale should be at the store, along with the head of the Chamber of Commerce of Sunnyvale. We're gonna be doing the ribbon cutting, and that should be fun. That should be interesting experience. Never done that before, you know, like those huge scissors and the red stripe that we need to cut. That'd be awesome. After that, we're gonna have dragon dancers coming in, just celebrating Chinese New Year and bringing her luck to my elephant. So they're gonna be dancing for maybe 15 minutes around the parking lot at the store. And after that, I'm hoping people just gonna have some good time, have some drinks, have some food, talk to each other, and that should be it. After that, maybe some after party, but we didn't plan for anything just yet. We'll see how it goes. Well, like I said, it was a long time coming. I've been doing the flooring for a long time. It was one of my first jobs in the United States. I started as an installer. Actually, not even an installer, I was a helper. I was sweeping floors. And my mentor started teaching me how to actually do it, how to lay the flooring, how to install flooring, all types of flooring. And I was working, I was in school, I was learning the skill, and at some point I decided, like, well, why don't I turn it into a business? And I started doing it on my own. And at some point I figured, like, okay, well, if I'm installing materials, I probably should be selling materials as well. And I started working towards the store, like a storefront. And a lot of ideas came to mind, but eventually I found the proper place at the proper time, and I got the funding at some point to actually make that work. So it all came to life. It actually did in March 2022. I officially got the keys from the building, and this is the future of Elephant Floors, and that's what we're trying to actually open up today. Okay, let's do the final checklist and see what we're missing and what we need to do before everything's done. Projector's ready to go. It's gonna be projecting over here. Hello, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Are we all ready to go? Hello, hello.
Welcome. This is so exciting to be here for Elephant Floors grand opening. Everything looks so beautiful today. And today it looks so easy, but we know that Daniel and Camelia and all of their friends worked so very hard to make this happen. And so I'd like to introduce Daniel to say a few words. Then the Vice Mayor will make a few remarks, and then we'll cut the ribbon.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm super happy to see everybody here. This is amazing. This is super exciting. It's been a long time coming to actually do this. I mean, I've been working on this for maybe last 6 to 7 years to get where we are all today. So thank you for coming, and let's open it up.
First of all, my name is Omar Dean. I'm the Vice Mayor for the City of Sunnyvale. And I'm here today on behalf of the city and on behalf of our community to say congratulations to Daniel and everybody at Elephant Floors. And honestly, let's do another huge round of applause. And I think one of the things that I love most about our city is our vibrant business community and our retail community. And Elephant Floors exemplifies all of the things that I think about when I think about our businesses. I mean, the professionalism of it, the way that it looks, the beauty of it, how it attracts you into the city. And I'm not gonna take that much longer, but I'm glad to be here right now. I mean, I'm very touched that you invited us to come and speak. And I'm proud to say that we got to be here at the ground floor of Elephant Floors. And so on behalf of the City of Sunnyvale, I say congratulations and welcome.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
3, 2,
day was great, the day was busy, but overall it comes to an end. And look at that, it's done!